whole of creation exists in you. Hard to fathom. And it is your destiny to become increasingly aware of its infinite wonders and to experience ever greater and greater portions of it. It is your destiny in this physical world. It's why you're never doing bad. You're never doing good. There is no good or bad, right? We talk about that all the time. But many times there's lessons that you needed to learn throughout this process, and you were in circumstances that were allowing you to learn, to really learn about yourself and what you're capable of doing and how your mind works and how you could get through scenarios and situations and opportunities, and you grow from that. Okay. So if you've ever, in the last couple of weeks, months, you've been in challenging spots, up and down in any area of life, it's a good thing. Hard to say when you're in the moment because you don't want to be there most times, but if you can embrace it, you start to say, oh, I see. So this challenge, I can use some power within me to change. All right, here's where we're going to start applying this. If creation is finished and all events are taking place, now the question that springs naturally to the mind of everyone on this call, including myself, is what determines my time track? That is, what determines the events I will encounter? If that is true, I love the question, right? So naturally it springs to mind, if this is true, Neville Goddard, if creation is done, manifesting is only it's happening. All time, all space, or all eternally now. It comes into mind, it says, well, if it's all now, how do I experience something that I want to experience versus something that I don't want to experience? What's the time track shown by? How do I guide myself in these infinite possibilities? How do I pick the one I want? What do I have to do? He answers it very, very simply and easily. Just gonna make a little divider here so you can keep everything broken down here. Oop. Hopefully you're taking some good notes. There we go. So we can block this off a little bit. Easy to read. Here's the clear-cut answer, and that's what the rest of the call is tonight. And the answer is your concept of yourself. Now, before I go through exactly the concepts, what do we do about it? How do we apply this? What's a concept? Think about it for yourself and just kind of come maybe to a conclusion. What's a concept? If this is a straightforward answer, is your concept of yourself. What does that mean? Your concept of yourself. I think you got a probably pretty good guess. Because then he gives an example if you can remember the example. Nice. Nick and Selena, self-image. Adam, self-image. Liz, self-image. Perception, Natalie's, yeah, same thing. Your point of view. Let's keep going. This is very, very, very important, this next line. Concepts determine the route that attention follows. I'm going to say that 3 more times. Concepts determine the route that attention follows. Concepts determine the route your attention follows. Concepts determine the route your attention follows. What's attention? You pay attention. That means you're putting your thoughts to some sort of thing. Natalie said it well with perception, your point of view. You're looking at something. That is your attention to something. Now connect to all the great religious, you name the person that teaches, they'll say we become what we think about. Think about, we become where we put all of our attention to most times. Okay, let's keep going. Here's a good test to prove this fact. So he's got a little test in here, right? Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled and observe the route that your attention follows. Let's do it right now. Let's do a test. It's very easy. Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled. So take out your goal card. It's a good exercise. It's a lot of fun. Take out your goal card, feel your goal card, and assume the feeling of this being done. Okay? Feel ease, feel relief, live there in imagination. If you have to close your eyes and visualize that lifestyle, that thing, whatever it is, go ahead and feel yourself into that state desired. Okay, that's what he's talking about. Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Assume this is done and feel the feelings as if this is done. Okay, just kind of feel it. Be aware of where your thoughts are. What are you thinking about? What are you imaging? What are you feeling? What do you want to do right now? Okay. And then throw your answer in the chat box. How do you feel? What's coming to mind? What images are present?